Good morning and welcome to Project Life 2022. This is week 22. I am just actually finishing up printing some of my pictures, and I wanted to come on and show you the Canon selfie. It is fantastic. I wish I could show you how I print, but I print using my cell phone and I also film using my cell phone. If I can find a workaround one of these days, I will do that. So I am going to cut these 3 pictures out for these 3 spots, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I decided to round the corners of these little pictures just because. I also pulled out some of my DIY cork embellishments, and I made this little banner using the Sizzix Thinlits. I don't know what the title of this one is. Rachel Bright. It doesn't say what the title of it is, but it's basically like buntings and banners and things. So I wanted to mix it up. It's a very busy title card, but what else? Yeah. This is a mixture of a couple of different things. So I pulled from my Ali Edwards May Project by the Month kit. So that's where these 2 papers came from, and this one. This one was from a collection I have in my stash, and these were scraps. So that's kind of where we are. All right, I am going to put you on fast forward, and I'm going to get embellishing. At the time that I'm doing this voiceover, it's actually Monday. I started this layout on Saturday, and as you can tell by my voice, I sound fantastic. I'm home with COVID, so rather than continuing to chat you through this video and have you suffer through my snuffling and coughing, I thought I would turn on some music and you can enjoy watching the rest of the video in peace and quiet. Embellishing I actually managed to capture in my recording. My phone decided to die. But this is the layout. All finished. That's it for me for today. Thanks for coming to hang out with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next video. Bye for now.